Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common problem with wine, when the prefix creation fails. You might see an error message saying wine prefix creation aborted. This can be frustrating. But don't worry. We'll go through some common causes and solutions. First, let's understand what a wine prefix is. It's like a virtual Windows environment. It allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. When creating a prefix, wine needs to set up several files and directories. If something goes wrong during this process, the creation can be aborted. One common reason is insufficient disk space. Make sure you have enough free space on the drive where you're creating the prefix. Wine needs space to install necessary components. Check your available space using your file manager or the command line. Another problem could be corrupted wine packages. This can happen during installation or updates. To fix this, try reinstalling wine. Use your distribution's package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you would use sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install reinstall winexstable. On Fedora, it's sudo dnf reinstall winex. Sometimes, the problem is with dependencies. Wine needs other libraries and tools to work correctly. Your system might be missing some of these dependencies. Again, use your distribution's package manager to install them. The wine documentation usually lists required dependencies. Read it carefully. Permissions can also be an issue. The user account you're using might not have the necessary permissions to create files in the desired location. Make sure you have right access to the directory where you're creating the prefix. Try creating the prefix in your home directory. Another cause could be a conflicting Winetricks installation or script execution. Winetricks helps install components within the prefix, but sometimes, a faulty Winetricks command can mess things up during prefix creation. Try creating the prefix without running any Winetricks commands initially. Then, add components one by one to identify the problem. Driver issues can also lead to aborted prefix creation. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility problems. Use your distribution's driver manager to update them. Finally, sometimes the issue stems from a specific application installer or configuration file that prevents the prefix creation to finalize correctly. Isolate the issue by not starting an application installation alongside the prefix creation. In summary, check disk space, reinstall wine, verify dependencies, adjust permissions, avoid conflicting Winetricks commands, update drivers, and isolate application installs. By systematically addressing these potential issues, you can usually resolve the wine prefix creation aborted error and get your Windows applications running on Linux. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it. Subscribing and sharing it also helps support my work. Let me know in the comments if you have more questions.